Welcome back to our channel. And today we have some exciting news for all the Google Pixel fans out there. In a recent leak, we got a glimpse of the upcoming flagship smartphone from Google, the Google Pixel 8 Pro. So, let's dive in and explore what this device has to offer. As you can see from the leaked video, the Google Pixel 8 Pro boasts a stunning design that is sure to turn heads. It features a sleek and modern aesthetic with a premium build quality. The device seems to have a slim profile, rounded corners, and a glass back that exudes elegance. But it's not just the design that has caught our attention. The Google Pixel 8 Pro is rumored to come with some exciting new features. One standout feature is the built-in thermometer, which is a first for smartphones. This innovative addition will allow users to measure ambient temperature with ease, making it a handy tool for various situations. While the leaked video doesn't reveal all the details, we can speculate on other possible features of the Pixel 8 Pro. Given Google's commitment to photography, we can expect significant improvements in the camera department. Enhanced image processing, advanced low-light capabilities, and improved zoom functionality could be in store. In terms of performance, the Pixel 8 Pro is likely to be powered by the latest processor, offering faster speeds and smoother multitasking. We can also anticipate an upgrade in display technology, with a high-resolution and vibrant OLED screen that will bring content to life. Although this leaked video provides an exciting sneak peek into the Google Pixel 8 Pro, we must remember that these are early speculations and subject to change. We'll have to wait for the official announcement from Google to get the full picture. That wraps up our coverage of the Google Pixel 8 Pro leak. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, so you don't miss any future updates on this exciting device. Let us know in the comments what features you're most excited about with the Pixel 8 Pro. Thank you for joining us today. Stay tuned for more tech news, reviews,